This is NDTV. And you're watching NDTV 24/7.
London is used to colourless, absolutely dull, gloomy looking colours of grey, but it's a rainbow here. At the Jammu and Kashmir festival, we have a beautiful plethora of colours. This is like a paint board just next to me. These are artists who've flown in from Jammu and Kashmir, literally imported for this festival. Welcome to London. With me is Mr. Thakur. Thank you very much. This is your group of artists. First of all, you girls are looking gorgeous, absolutely stunning. And this is beautiful because they are from different regions of Kashmir and Jammu. So how many of you from Kashmir? Kashmir se aap hain?
Kashmir.
Okay. You're from Kashmir, lovely. And how many from Jammu? Jammu, raise your hand.
Jammu region is basically.
Jammu region, Kashmir region. Any Ladakhis here?
Yeah, this is a Ladakhi.
So that's a Ladakhi Jule. Okay, lovely. So I'm going to go across to them and find out just what it is that makes them so gorgeous. But my larger question to you, we've been having this struggle for the last several years on just how to bring about peace on the issue of Jammu and Kashmir. Is art the only way to do that?
Yes, this is the only way. See, outside Jammu and Kashmir, people hardly know what exactly Jammu Kashmir is. I must say, since you are watching so many people around me, you go to Punjab, you'll get just Punjabis. You go to Haryana, it's just Haryanvis. You go Gujarat, just Gujaratis. You come to Jammu and Kashmir, you'll find 8 to 9 different languages, different cultures, and different kind of performances and their own traditions, their own food, their own living style.
10 different languages in Kashmir.
6 are recognized, and then we have certain dialects also in addition to the languages.
Of the different
and
languages.
I'll tell you, one is Kashmiri, second is...
No, let's ask them. So tell me 4 Kashmiri languages.
4 Kashmir.
4 languages from the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Any four.
It's Gojri, Ladakhi, Dogri, and Badarwai.
Okay, let's ask you. What languages from the state of Jammu and Kashmir do you know?
None.
None at all. Okay. Are you from here? Do you live here in Britain?
I live here.
You live here. All right. What other languages have I missed out on?
Dogri, Kashmiri, Badarwai, Ladakhi, Balti, Gojri, Pahari.
Pahari, of course. Are you from Ladakh?
No, I'm from Kashmir.
You are from Kashmir. Lovely. Where are you from?
I'm from Kashmir.
You guys, how do you manage to look so good in all the makeup and attire and the costume? Just what is the secret? Beauty of Kashmir.
This is the beauty of Kashmir.
Beauty of the state. It's the Himalayan influence. Huh? It's the most beautiful state, easily. It's the crown of India. And these ladies really are looking gorgeous. What is the performance that you're going to be doing in London?
We're going to do Kashmiri dance, Bhumro, and Rinpochima, Tasho, Kashmiri dance.
All Kashmiri dance. How long have you been doing this?
Approximately 10 years.
10 years. Okay, a decade long. So is this your career? Is art really a good career option in Kashmir?
Yes.
It is?
Yes.
Despite all the controversies, you say it is?
Yes.
Because, there has often been so many controversies. Of course, he said, okay, what are controversies? We don't know because our boss handles that and he says, just focus and practice. You agree?
Yeah.
Has it affected you anytime, these controversies around how artists are told, don't do this, do that?
नहीं ऐसा कभी कुछ नहीं हुआ
कभी
वो सर
कुछ
हम संभाल लेते हैं सब कुछ हमें सिर्फ कहा जाता है कि फोकस करिए अपने डांस पे ये प्रैक्टिस करिए बट वो जितनी परेशानियां होती हैं वो सर होते हैं वो हैंडल कर लेते हैं वो सिर्फ हमें कहते हैं कि फोकस करिए
आप सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस कर
जी बिल्कुल उसमें कोई कमी नहीं होनी चाहिए उसमें हमें वो डांटते रहते हो कि उसमें फोकस रखिए मेरा जो है वो करता रहूँगा तो उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं
What do the men perform? What is again Kashmiri dance?
It's a mix. It's a mix.
So it's a mix of traditions and cultures from different regions, right? From different parts of the state. How do you handle criticism in art? In art, when people say, we've seen so many controversies.
I think it's I've always seen the appreciation. Criticism only from the people who are very sadistic about things. Negative people who always think negative, always those who look Jammu and Kashmir from a very different angle. I think you need to have a positive look. You need to have a positive vision to look at Jammu and Kashmir. It's one of the most vibrant state in terms of culture. You start your journey from Lakhanpur. The moment you enter Kathua, you'll find a different culture. You reach to Jammu, there's a different culture. Beyond Jammu, you move towards Rajouri, you have Gujars there, you have Pahadis there, and then move towards Kashmir, you have Kashmiris there. Beyond Kashmir, when you're moving towards Ladakh, you'll find Baltis, Purkis, and from there you start moving to Ladakh. You'll find Ladakhi culture.
Truly, and I have traveled all of these.
And you move down. From Ladakh, come down to Bhadrava, this Doda region. You'll find Kishtwadi there, you'll find Bhadravai there. It's such an amazing bouquet of different flowers.
You all agree, of course. This is a vibrance. We are not complaining at all. Art is the only way to bring peace to the state or put to rest the controversies around the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Do you all agree?
Yes, I agree with that, because art is the main thing which connects people
together.
Yes, connects people. This emotions and all that connects people. So it's always important to have art in your life.
I have been advocating one tagline: politics divides, culture unites. This is what I have been. This is what I have been advocating since last 35 years in Jammu and Kashmir.
On that note, we will end this beautiful conversation and allow them to go and perform, because I know that this is going to bring the entire Indian diaspora here in London together, not just the people from Jammu and Kashmir, but from the entire diaspora.